Hi, welcome to my review for Koin. Koin is a two-click system that generates up to $39 in free Bitcoin every 12 hours on autopilot. And here's why you must grab Koin. You get a head start. Get free Bitcoins in 2 clicks. No traffic or selling needed. In demand with huge potential. Stop wasting time on old deal or dead models. No tech skills or experience needed. Automated results getting machine. Zero risk and zero investment required. If you delay, now you'll pay way more. Act now to lock in the early bird discount. Koin is a must-have. Here, what makes Koin different is set and forget easy. No ongoing maintenance, no traffic or selling needed, no investment or risk. Ordinary folks getting results, fully automated and 100% passive, completely new to Warrior Plus. It's what you have been searching for, works on any PC, Mac, tablet or phone. Everything you need to succeed in one app, perfect for 2022 and beyond. How much do you need to pay for Koin? The front end is at $17 and you will get a $4 discount at the exit popper. And the first upsell is 47, and then the second upsell is 297. The third upsell is 39. The fourth upsell is 39, and the fifth upsell is 197. Front end Koin costs $17, and with a fixed popper or discount of $4, you paid $13. The first upsell Koin, the edition $47. Upsell number 2, Koin done for you edition 297. The third upsell Koin autopilot edition $59. And upsell number 4, Koin Ethereum edition $59. And upsell number 5, Koin franchisee edition 197, which gives you the reseller rights to the entire file at commissions. And here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting your actual work. New technique software and training, 100% newbie friendly, proven profitable over and over, works in any niche, works right now, all the traffic is built in, and you also get a 30 days money back guarantee. And this is what you'll be getting with Koin today. New Koin software works for $47 per month, step-by-step tutorials worth $197. 30-second dummy guide to Bitcoin worth $47, 2-click case study to $39 every 12 hours worth $67, 24/7 support worth $497, free bonus number 1, result in 10 minutes worth $197, free bonus number 2, 3 ways we bank worth $297, free bonus number 3, 15 previous apps worth $497, free bonus number 4, private live training worth $997, free bonus number 5, how to scale banking worth $97, new for April 22 Uber bundle worth $3,091, gets results or get paid $1 priceless, in 365-day money back guarantee, total value of everything you get today is $8,331. Grab all these at a one-time price of $17. So what do you get when you buy Koin today through my link below? These are the bonuses I have given. You will get bonus number 1. Triple breakout. Triple breakout is a solo will teach you how to get traffic. And Koin bonus number 2, build your Facebook following fast. And bonus number 3, make an app in less than 25 minutes. You also get bonus number 4, access the ClickBank Mastery course. And bonus number 5 are all the vendor bonuses the vendor has for you. So do not delay, get Koin through my link in the description below. And now I'm ready to watch the demo video. Thank you.